Hey guys, what's going on? Tailgates and Toolboxes back with another unboxing. I'm going to show you what we got today. This is a, if I'm saying this correctly, Sensarte or Sensarte. It's a 3-quart non-stick saucepan. This is an unboxing. I got this from Amazon, and I'll tell you exactly what I paid for it. I paid $30.59. It's got 1,000 were sold within the last month, 1,000 plus, and it's got a 4.6 rating on Amazon with 8,100 reviews. So my family needed a new 3-quart saucepan, so we're gonna open this up. It's aluminum construction. Made in PRC, I don't know where that is. Supposedly, I think I might have to put the handle on here. So let's open this up and find out. Might have to put, which is weird. If you just spend like 30 bucks, why would you? I don't know, for a saucepan, why would you need to assemble it? Okay, yeah. Okay, so this is the this top part is the lid. The glass lid. So, not break that. Over there. You have the nice lid and a nice handle, wood handle. Very nice. A little hard to see. Very nice, grippy wood handle for the lid. Let's put that to the side. Put that to the side. Okay. You have the pan itself, and you do have to put the handle. So let's do that over there. So apparently you do have to put the handle, which is, I don't know, for 30 bucks. You think they'd give it a handle? Oh my God, that is hysterical. They give you the screwdriver. That is funny. Wow, that's hysterical. They give you the screwdriver. Wow, that's funny. It looks like a number 2. So obviously a Chinese cheap Stanley Black & Decker knockoff. That is hysterical. I was just gonna go grab a screwdriver. That is funny. Maybe for 30 bucks, it's not too bad. That is hysterical. All right, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm gonna. The rest of this package. The rest of this package is the handle. We don't need. Don't actually hold on a second. Make sure there's no. Make sure those screws are. The screws are probably in the pan itself. I'm gonna open the handle. Oh, you got a nice. I guess this is like a. Not wooden, but like a maybe like a fake wooden composite. Wow, that's like really, really nice. Wow. Okay. All right. What else we got? We got some instructions. I don't know, some instructions, advertisement. So, this looks simple enough. Put that away. It's non-stick. It's got this like aluminum bottom with like I guess these little grooves or whatever, these little I don't know, slots for induction heating. So this shouldn't be so hard to put on. So, okay, screw it. My cat is playing with the box, the empty box that this just came in. So, fun. Very funny. She's hysterical. Alright, the screws, got the screw and a little washer. We cannot lose that. So apparently just pop this in. And it's going to be a little hard. You're going to slide you're going to slide the screw in the hole right there. It's a little hard to see with the camera. I apologize. That's it. That's it. The handle is in. You can see the screws right there. Wow. Actually, for 30 bucks, it's very nice. And you put the top on, and ta-da! You got your Sensarte 3-quart aluminum saucepan with a screwdriver. Ta-da! That is hysterical. I mean, it's actually not a bad screwdriver. That's hysterical. It's actually got grips on it and stuff. That is actually not bad. That's hysterical. I would have never expected that. Also, I mean, 30 bucks, you figure you wouldn't have to put the handle on, but again, I guess it's not a big deal, but it is a very nice pot. So I will give you a future update as we use it in my family. This is actually very nice. I never heard of this brand, but I like the hand. I do like the handle, and I do like the knob on top. It just gives it that, so look, you know, it gives it that look. It's a little bit different, and it's not bad. So like I said, I paid $30.59, free shipping plus tax, so say 32 bucks. So like I said, it's got they sold over 1,000 within the last month, and it's got a 4.6 rating on Amazon with 8,100 plus reviews. So like I said, guys, I will give you an update on how it's working out, and I will let you know. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Have a good night. I will talk to you soon, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.